Creation of new materials from mushrooms aimed at promoting the bioeconomy. As the demand for renewable materials increases, mushrooms are gaining attention as a new resource. In Japan, approximately 460,000 tons of mushrooms are produced annually, with Nagano Prefecture boasting one of the highest production volumes in the country. On the other hand, the cost of disposing of waste such as non-standard products and mushroom stumps is becoming a significant issue. We have developed a technology to create new materials from the unused resources of the mushroom industry in order to solve this problem. Its name is white fungal mycelium pulp. This is a fibrous material made by bleaching the fruiting bodies of mushrooms under relatively mild conditions and loosening them to the level of mycelium. White fungal mycelium pulp is a new material awaiting application in various products, such as textiles, fibers, food, and cosmetics. With this technology as the core, we aim to create high-value new materials from unused mushroom resources, contributing to the bioeconomy and creating new industries.